Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are introducing a new airdrop that is completely legitimate and correctly has nearly 30 million members. This airdrop is similar to Notcoin and Hamster and is verified by Telegram. So if you want us to introduce more profitable airdrops in our future videos, be sure to tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get into this airdrop. Okay guys, this is the homepage of this airdrop. This airdrop is on Telegram and you need to start the bot of this airdrop on Telegram. Just like other airdrops, you need to visit the spots daily, click and collect your W coins. If you click on the wallet icon at the top, you'll see this page showing how many coins you correctly have, and this section is for withdrawal, which is correctly inactive. In the settings section, you can choose which of the three currencies you want to withdraw eventually. You can choose between Tone, Solana and Ethereum, and I'm choosing Tone. This choice is for the final withdrawal and isn't very useful for you right now. So if you don't do it, it's fine. From the bottom, the first section in the main section where you can send it to your friends or invite another Telegram account to the bot to earn more coins. You can earn 2,500 coins for each person invited. And if their Telegram account is premium, this number changes to 13,000 coins per person. To invite, click on invite a mate and send the link provided by the bot to your friends. Now let's go to the second section of the bot, which is the task section. This section is very important and you can earn good coins by completing the tasks listed here. For example, by joining the W community channels, sometimes the channel might be crowded and you might join a bit late like now. Another things you can do here to earn 10,000 coins is to choose mining blockchains. I click on it. Here I choose Tone and that's it. I got 10,000 coins. Another things you can do is upgrade your features in the bot. This will get you a gift and improve your features. For example, by upgrading this option, I increase the coins received per click to 4 coins per click. I upgrade this option too, so my energy tank refills faster. This section is also the energy tank, which I upgraded to 2,500. As you can see now, I got 4 coins per click. This way you can increase your coin earning speed and earn more coins than anyone else. I go back to the task section and choose Twitter from the social section and click on it. I want to teach you a cheat. Without joining Twitter, I got 10,000 coins. That's why it's better to complete all the tasks here to earn a lot of coins. Again, without completing a task, I earned 50,000 coin, and that means easy money. The task section has the easiest tasks you can complete to earn your coins. Leaving the task section, I enter the next section, which is the staking section. This section can also be good because you can place some of your coins here, and after a few days, depending on your choose, receive a percentage more of your coins. The next section, which we saw earlier, is the boost section. Here is a dice section where you can get multiply coins for 10 seconds by throwing the dice. For me, it doubled as my dice number was 1, which doubled my clicks. If you roll a 2, it triples your click, and so on. To click on Airdrop and mine, we have a ready tutorial that you don't need to click anymore, and you just have to go to the robot and it will mine for you. If you want this tutorial, tell us in the comments and we will upload it. The boost section has good features like this bot that earn coins for you when you are not on Telegram. It looks good. This section also multiplies your coins up to 100 times. This is the clicking section where upgrading increases your click per hit. This is also the energy tank, which increased by 500 with the upgrade. As you can see, my energy tank is now 3000. Try to use the coins you earn to upgrade your features to earn more coins. I'll put the registration link for this Telegram bot and Airdrop in the description. We have reached the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos as soon as they are released. And as always, I hope your pockets are always full of money. Until the next video, bye.